Planning a trip to Mexico City and wondering what to see and do? Well, you're in for a treat. Mexico City is a pulsating metropolis brimming with rich history, vibrant culture, and an energy that's impossible to ignore. From ancient ruins and world-class museums to bustling squares and serene parks, it's a city that truly has it all. In this video, we'll journey through 10 of the most unmissable places in this captivating city. Get ready to explore the best that Mexico City has to offer. First up, we have the Zocalo, the main square in Mexico City. The Zocalo is not just any square, it's the heartbeat of this vibrant city. It's a bustling hub where past and present collide, a place where you can feel the pulse of Mexico's rich history. Imagine standing in the very spot where once Aztec temples stood, now replaced by equally awe-inspiring structures like the Metropolitan Cathedral. This majestic edifice, with its intricate designs, is the largest cathedral in the Americas. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the National Palace, a symbol of Mexico's governance, adorned with murals by the famous Mexican artist Diego Rivera. And let's not forget the Templo Mayor, an astonishing archaeological site that was once the main temple of the Aztec Empire. This is the Zocalo, where every step you take is a step back in time, into Mexico's illustrious past. Zocalo, a place where history and culture meet. Next, venture a little outside the city to the ancient city of Teotihuacan. Just about 50 kilometers northeast of Mexico City, Teotihuacan stands as a testament to a civilization that thrived long before the Aztecs. It's a place that stirs the imagination and piques curiosity, a city of myths and mysteries. The name Teotihuacan translates to the place where the gods were created, and it's not hard to see why. The city is home to some of Mexico's most impressive pyramids. The Pyramid of the Sun, one of the largest in the world, and the Pyramid of the Moon, equally awe-inspiring, dominate the landscape. As you climb the steep steps of these ancient monuments, you can almost feel the echoes of the past resonating around you. Teotihuacan is not just a popular tourist destination, it's a journey into an ancient world, a voyage beyond time. It's a place where you can truly experience the grandeur of a civilization lost to history. Teotihuacan, where ancient civilization comes to life. Back in the city, don't miss the Palacio de Bellas Artes, a magnificent piece of architecture. This captivating Art Deco building is a visual feast for the eyes, both inside and out. The Palacio de Bellas Artes, or Palace of Fine Arts, serves as a testament to Mexico City's commitment to the arts. It's not just an architectural gem, it's a cultural hub that houses a museum, a theater, and a concert hall. The museum within the palace is a treasure trove of Mexican art, displaying works from the country's most celebrated artists. The theater, on the other hand, hosts a variety of performances, from ballet to orchestral concerts, offering a taste of the country's rich performing arts scene. And the concert hall resonates with the melodies of classical music, jazz, and more, providing a soothing escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Palacio de Bellas Artes, where art and architecture blend seamlessly. For history buffs, the Museo Nacional de Antropología is a must-visit. Diving into the heart of Mexico City, this museum is a treasure trove of history and culture. It's considered one of the most significant museums in Mexico, and for good reason. Here, you'll find yourself immersed in the rich tapestry of Mexico's pre-Columbian cultures. The museum houses a vast collection of artifacts that tell 1,000 stories of civilizations that once thrived in this land. From the Olmecs, the earliest known major civilization in Mexico, to the Mayans, known for their hieroglyphic script, the only fully developed writing system of the pre-Columbian Americas, and the Aztecs, the last of the great Mesoamerican civilizations. Each artifact, each exhibit, opens up a new chapter, a new understanding of the rich and diverse history that makes Mexico the vibrant country it is today. Museo Nacional de Antropología, a gateway to Mexico's rich past. Art lovers will enjoy the Frida Kahlo Museum in the Coyoacan neighborhood. Nestled within the vibrant streets, this museum is in fact the very place where the iconic artist Frida Kahlo was born, lived, and passed away. The museum, also known as the Blue House due to its cobalt blue walls, offers an intimate look into the life of this extraordinary woman. Inside, you'll find an array of Kahlo's personal items, including her clothing, jewelry, and even the corsets she wore due to her severe health problems. The museum also houses some of her most significant works of art, each piece telling a story of her life, love, and struggle. Visitors can stroll through the rooms, preserved as they were during Kahlo's time, and explore the beautiful garden where she found inspiration for her art. A visit to the Frida Kahlo Museum is more than just a tour. It's a journey into the heart and soul of one of Mexico's most iconic artists. Frida Kahlo Museum, a tribute to one of Mexico's most iconic artists. For a breath of fresh air, visit the vast Chapultepec Park. With a staggering 1,680 acres of greenery, it's one of the largest city parks in Latin America. But it's not just the size that's impressive, it's what's inside that counts. Chapultepec Park is a city within a city, housing a multitude of attractions for all ages. Nestled within the park, you'll find a zoo home to hundreds of species, a castle with panoramic city views, and a modern art museum showcasing the best of Mexico's contemporary talents. Let's not forget the serene lakes where you can enjoy a leisurely boat ride. And if you're a fan of street food, the park teems with vendors selling everything from elotes, that's grilled corn on the cob, to churros filled with dulce de leche. So, whether you're an art lover, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie, there's something for everyone. Chapultepec Park, an oasis in the heart of the city. Experience a unique side of Mexico City at Xochimilco. Known as the Venice of Mexico, Xochimilco is a world away from the bustling metropolis. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famed for its floating gardens or chinampas. These man-made islands, created by the ancient Aztecs, are a testament to indigenous agricultural ingenuity. But Xochimilco is not just about the gardens, it's a symphony of colors and sounds. The real stars of the show are the trajineras, brightly painted gondola-like boats that glide along the canals. Each trajinera carries a name, usually that of a woman, adding a personal touch to your ride. As you float along, you'll be serenaded by floating mariachi bands, while vendors in smaller boats offer everything from tacos to toys. It's a floating market, a vibrant party, and a step back in time all rolled into one. Xochimilco, a vibrant and colorful experience. For a taste of luxury, visit the upscale neighborhood of Polanco. This posh district is a playground for the elite, offering a dazzling array of high-end boutiques, chic galleries, and world-class restaurants. The streets of Polanco are lined with international luxury brands, making it a haven for fashion connoisseurs. From the latest designs in haute couture to bespoke tailoring, Polanco's shopping scene is as diverse as it is exclusive. But it's not just about shopping here. Polanco is also a gastronomic paradise, boasting some of the finest dining establishments in the city. From Michelin-starred restaurants to trendy eateries, the culinary offerings in Polanco are nothing short of spectacular. And when the sun sets, Polanco truly comes alive, with its stylish bars and clubs offering an exciting nightlife experience. Whether you're sipping cocktails at a rooftop bar or dancing the night away at a swanky club, Polanco is sure to impress. Polanco, where elegance and style meet. Experience the city's trendy side in Roma Norte. This vibrant neighborhood is the very heart of Mexico City's hipster scene. As you wander its tree-lined avenues, you'll discover a world of independent boutiques selling everything from vintage clothes to artisanal coffee. Roma Norte is a haven for shopaholics seeking unique and eclectic finds. But it's not just about shopping. Roma Norte is also the city's cultural hub, dotted with avant-garde art galleries showcasing the works of emerging local artists. These spaces are a testament to the neighborhood's creative spirit, where art and innovation intersect in the most fascinating ways. Cafes are another highlight of Roma Norte. Each one is unique, offering a cozy atmosphere, delectable pastries, and of course some of the best coffee in the city. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a coffee lover, or a dedicated shopper, Roma Norte has something for you. Roma Norte, the hip and artistic side of Mexico City. Finally, take a step back in time in the Centro Historico. This place is the beating heart of Mexico City, where the city's rich history comes alive. A treasure trove of colonial-era buildings, Centro Historico is a living museum that tells the tale of Mexico's past. Here you'll find magnificent structures, each with its own story to tell. The Metropolitan Cathedral, for instance, is a testament to the city's religious past, while the National Palace stands as a symbol of the city's political history. Walking through these streets, you'll be transported back to the time when Mexico was a colony of Spain. You'll see buildings that have stood the test of time, bearing witness to centuries of history. But it's not just about the past. Centro Historico is also a bustling, vibrant part of the city today, filled with shops, restaurants, and people going about their daily lives. It's a remarkable place where the past and present coexist. Centro Historico, where the past and present coexist. And there you have it. 10 unmissable places in Mexico City, from the historic Zocalo and the ancient Teotihuacan to the artistic Frida Kahlo Museum and the vibrant Roma Norte. Whether it's the breathtaking architecture of Palacio de Bellas Artes or the lively canals of Xochimilco, there's something for everyone. Don't forget the rich history in Museo Nacional de Antropología, the opulence of Polanco, the greenery of Chapultepec Park, and the heart of the city, Centro Historico. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure in Mexico